Hello, all the people out there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to the ongoing series that is the top 3 books. And in this video or in this episode, we are going to talk about top 3 books to learn JavaScript. So now let's get started. So if you are planning to learn JavaScript, let me tell you, it is one of the best decisions that you could make. JavaScript has evolved a lot. First, it was just used for the client-side programming, but nowadays it is used in the backend. It is used in AR, VR. It is also used in machine learning, desktop applications, mobile application development, and a hell lot of things. You could just think of an application and just JavaScript will come out with a framework that will help you out with. So the frameworks such as React, Vue, AngularJS, then Eloquent JS, and all these things, TensorFlow JS, have brought JavaScript to let's say a boost in the market, and JavaScript has evolved a lot after then. So nowadays JavaScript is the demand for the JavaScript developers in the market is really high. The people are ready to pay a really good amount to the JavaScript developers. So if you are thinking to learn JavaScript, then it is a really good choice. So now let's get started with our list of the top 3 books to learn JavaScript. Of course, we are talking about JavaScript, and the number 1 book to learn JavaScript has to be this one, Eloquent JavaScript. It is one of the really best book that I could tell you, from where you could learn JavaScript. Also, one more really good thing about this book is if you search for this book, you will find a website on this book. You will find a website, eloquentjavascript.net, that contains this whole ebook for free, of course, and has the whole content of this book sorted really in a good manner. So that is really one really good thing about this book. And of course, if you want the hard copy, you can surely get that from the link below in the description. Of course, again, these links are not affiliated. Link for the other 2 books in the list is also available in the description. You can surely check out. So at number 1, I have got this. So now let's move ahead at number 2 in the list. Again, as discussed, we can't skip headfirst series in any technology. Rather it be Python, rather it be JavaScript. We had this book in our Python top 3 books. The video in for the top 3 books to learn Python. In that we had this headfirst Python book, and of course again in the JavaScript series or the video episode for the JavaScript, we are having this headfirst JavaScript book. Headfirst is surely one of my favorite books, and you should surely try them out. The concepts are really deeply covered, has a lot of content in their books, and a really good one. And the third one in the list is JavaScript, the good parts. This book is a little bit difficult for a beginner, but of course something that I will suggest you to go with. So this is my list of top 3 books to learn JavaScript. Hope this top 3 book series is helping you guys out. And if you like this content, please hit that subscribe button to get more content of course, and please hit that like button if you like the video. And that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one.